Have you ever woken up in a dark room and cannot get back to sleep? Then you start thinking about billion things around you. After a while, you come to ask yourself that why you are here on earth. What is the purpose of your life? What is the meaning of everything you do every day? Did you manage to do anything worthwhile? That is how living a life without a clear purpose is. And the majority of people live their lives in this manner. If you feel lost, your sense of purpose can be your connection to something larger, something that will allow you to truly make a difference. And the difference is something to make you unique on this earth. In order to understand what is the meaning of everything you do every day, you just spend time to answer this question. Why is it important to find your purpose? First of all, you need to find your purpose to have a meaningful life. Your purpose is the reason you get up every morning. Life without a clear purpose can get boring and unsatisfying. Once you find and understand your purpose, your life will never be the same again. You start attracting the things that you've always wanted into your life. It means you will have health, wealth, and peace of mind. Remember this, I say so many times, that everything starts from within. Your outer world is a clear reflection of your inner world. A purposeless life will always manifest fear, worry, and poverty. Since you want to live a meaningful life, pay attention to your thinking patterns and get assigned a few minutes every day to find and clarify your purpose. Having a purpose life will enable you to understand yourself on a deeper level. As you know that we all think that we know ourselves very well, but in fact only a few understand themselves on a deeper level. Knowing yourself will help you gain confidence and improve the quality of your life. As you work towards your true purpose, you will realize your outstanding characteristics and hidden talents. In this process, you will acknowledge your strengths and weaknesses. And by accepting yourself the way you are and doing everything in your power to improve yourself, you will attract adventure and confidence into your life. You will challenge your limiting beliefs. Purpose always arises from a deep desire for a specific situation. And in most cases, who you aspire to become may be so far from the life that you are living right now. Due to this, you find yourself questioning if your purpose can materialize in your life with all the resources and skills that you lack right now. The purpose is so powerful because it challenges you in a good way. It will help you develop or improve your skills and find the resources that you need. Reframing your limiting beliefs is all you need to do to transform your life. And as I said earlier, your outer world is a reflection of your inner world.